Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn that how to use VLookup function in MS Excel, Microsoft Excel. Okay? Yeah. Today we are going to learn that how to use a function VLookup in Excel. Okay? Let's start. In my screen, you all can see that I have two sheets in a single file. Okay? First name is master file, second sheet's name is working. Okay, so in master file you all can see that we have some data like serial number, name, age and father's name. Okay, serial number 1 to 10, the 10 person are mentioned here: Ramesh, Saurabh, Tushar, Geeta, Vyom, Moksha, Anita, Sultan, Raki and Suresh, right? And their age are also mentioned here. You all can see accordingly. Their father's name is also mentioned. Okay, this is our master data. Okay, suppose you have only name. Okay, in Excel, if you have only the name and you want to search the age and father's name of the particular guys, then how can you search? Okay, it will be a big issue when you have a mass data. Okay, in my screen you can see that there is only 10 example. The VLookup function is being used where the mass data is available and you have to search the mass result through VLookup. Okay, I hope you all cleared right now that what we are going to learn. We will learn to use the VLookup function in MS Excel. Okay, you have the master file in which you have all the data related to the guys. Okay, the guys are mentioned here, their ages and their father's name. Okay, and in working file you need the age and father's name through the concerned name. Okay, let's start. Then how to use VLookup function? Put the cursor in C column where the age is required. Okay, then go to the insert function button. You can see here, this is the insert function. Click on it. Here you can see the VLookup function. Okay, double click on it. Yeah, and this type of box will open to your screen. Okay, all of us, the system is asking the lookup value. Lookup value is the source value from which you want to put the data. Okay, what is the lookup value? Lookup value is the source value. And here, what is the source value? I have the name of the concerned person. Okay, so the source value of this field will be name. So I put the cursor in Ramesh. Okay, click on second line item. The system is asking about the table array. Table array means from where you want to fetch the data. Click on the master file. You know very well that we are going to VLookup the data from name. So select B and C both column together. Okay, because why C is being selected here? Because C is the result. We want the C column in our working sheet, right? That's why I selected the B and C both. Okay, okay, click on third field. What system is asking? Column index number means how much columns you have selected in your earlier screen. You know very well that you had selected B and C, so the total number of column is 2. Okay, here you need to put 2 manually. Okay, then range lookup always 0. Put the 0 value here. Okay, then click on OK. Yeah, double click on this. Here the ages has come accordingly by their name. Same thing we will do in father's name also. Okay, click on insert function button. Click on VLookup. Double click on VLookup function. Again the table the system is asking about the lookup value. What is the lookup value? Again I am telling all of you that lookup value is the source value. Okay, and here the source value is, we have only the name, so our source value will be name. Okay, click on Ramesh, then click on second field. Again system is asking the table array. Go to your master file, select the name, entire column name through the result. What do you want in your working file? We want father's name, so here you will select from B to D. Okay, how much column you have selected here? 3. Column index number will be 3 and last field will always be 0. Okay, click on OK and double click on this. Here you can see Ramesh age is 18 and his father's name is Mohan. Randomly you can also check Anita. Anita's age is 34 and his father's name is Kausal. Bold it, color it, and randomly we will check two sample. Okay, suppose serial number 1 and serial number 7. Serial number 1's Ramesh age is 18 and father's name is Mohan. You can recheck. Here you can find Ramesh age is 18 and his father's name is Mohan. Yeah, and second one is Anita. Anita's age is 34 and his father's name is Kausal. You can also check here Anita's age is 34 and her father's name is Kausal. Right, it is the magic of the VLookup function in Microsoft Excel. Okay, hope you all will learn from my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe this channel and do comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much guys. I will be back to all of you with a new video. Thank you very much.